A war can be won before the first missile is fired. Not by fighters, not by drones, but by one aircraft that sees everything. High above the clouds, invisible to most, the Boeing E-7 Wedgetail is already watching. Modern air combat is chaos. Jets move faster than sound, missiles travel faster than thought, and decisions, they must be made in seconds. But here's the problem. Pilots can only see so far. Ground radar? Limited, blocked, vulnerable. So what if you could see everything across hundreds of kilometers at once? That's where the Boeing E-7 Wedgetail comes in. Built by Boeing, this aircraft isn't just flying, it's controlling the entire battlefield.
Has enhanced air domain awareness, enabling first to detect, first to...
At first glance, it looks like a modified airliner, but that's misleading, because mounted on top is something very different. A long, flat radar array, not spinning, not traditional. This is AESA radar, active electronically scanned array, and it changes everything. But wait, it doesn't rotate? Exactly. Instead of spinning mechanically, it scans electronically, faster, more precise, more deadly. The Wedgetail can track fighter jets, cruise missiles, even low-flying threats trying to hide. At distances over 600 kilometers, that's beyond the horizon, meaning it sees you before you see it.
The system also leverages performance-producing actionable data almost
instantly. And here's the
instantly.
scary part. It can track multiple targets simultaneously, dozens, even hundreds. But the real power is not the radar, it's what happens inside. Inside the aircraft, a team of operators sits in the dark, screens glowing, data flowing. They are not pilots, they are battlefield commanders. They decide who lives and who doesn't. Imagine this. A hostile aircraft enters contested airspace, low altitude, trying to avoid detection. Ground radar, blind. Fighter jets, too far. But above, the Wedgetail is already watching. Within seconds, it detects the target, classifies it, tracks its path. Then, it sends coordinates to friendly fighters. Missile locked, target acquired, engaged. Before the enemy even knows, they're already defeated.
Also benefit both the U.S. Air Force and RAF in fielding their own E-7
Here's what makes the
Wedgetales in
Boeing E-7
coming years.
Wedgetail truly dangerous. It doesn't fight, it doesn't shoot, but it controls everything. This aircraft acts as airborne command center, surveillance system, battle manager, and unlike older AWACS aircraft, it's faster, smarter, more efficient. Countries around the world are taking notice, because in modern warfare, information is more powerful than firepower, and whoever controls the sky controls the outcome. So next time you look up at the sky, you might see nothing. No jets, no missiles, just silence. But far above, something is watching, listening, calculating, and deciding the future of the battle before it even begins. The Boeing E-7 Wedgetail, not just an aircraft, but the brain of modern air warfare. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe, because the next story might be even more unbelievable. And tell me in the comments, would you trust a machine to control the battlefield?